Welcome to German with John Berlin. In today's lesson, we'll be doing a very small topic, and the topic is how to negate a sentence. That means if you have a sentence in front of you, how can you negate it? What is negating a sentence? Let's find out. For example, the shop does not have apples. So we have negated the sentence. Yes? Instead of saying the shop has apples, we have said the shop does not have apples. Now there's two ways of saying it. Either I could say the shop does not have apples, or I could say the shop has no apples. What is the difference? When I said the shop does not have apples, I used not, which is an adverb, and it negates the verb have. So I negated the verb have with the adverb not. Yes, there's an alternative. I could rather say the shop has no apples, in which I use no, which is a negative article which we learned earlier, and I negate the noun apples. In both cases, either I negate the verb or the noun, the sentence gets negated. Yes, so we already know what is no in German. We learned it. It's kein, negative article. What is not in German? Not in German is nicht. It's an adverb. Yes. Perfect. So if I want to say the shop does not have apples, it'll be the shop has apples nicht. I say the shop has no apples, the shop has keine apples. Yeah. All right. So here are some examples. Let's try to sort them out. Now this first one is already done for us. The school has no computer. The school has keinen Computer. How did we get keinen? It is basically what has what not. So basically the school has no computer. Computer is accusative. Yes. And from accusative we remember den, die, das, die. From den we get our ending of en, and our negative article we already know is kein. So it becomes keinen. Perfect. The school has keinen Computer. School has no computer. Or simply put, the school does not have a computer. So the school has, yes, einen Computer nicht. Yes, the school has a computer not. Or in other words, school does not have a computer. All right, now let's find out which one would be which. So I'll try to do the first five with you. The school has dash computer. Here, are we negating the verb or the noun? We are negating the noun, which is computer. So I'll write the school has keinen Computer. The shop has the apples, or the shop does not have the apples. We are negating the verb has with not, which is nicht. Perfect. The bank gives to no criminals the money. When I say to no criminals, I'm negating the noun. That means I need an article, and the question is to whom. To whom is dative, and criminals is plural. So them, they are, them, den. I know the ending, it's den. What is the article we are looking for? It's kein, so it'll be keinen. Again, I'll write keinen. Yes, but this keinen is different from the one earlier. This is dative, this is accusative. This one has an extra n, which goes with the noun, which we learn when we get started with complete German sentences. Okay. Now this is Ivan's gifts to the friends on birthdays. Okay, so Ivan's does not gift to the friends on birthdays. Yes, so we are negating the verb gift with the adverb nicht. Perfect. Sam does dash like to bake at home. So Sam does not like to bake cake at home. So basically we are negating the verb bake. So we need the adverb nicht, which is not. So you could put the verb, the adverb anywhere in the sentence, either in the end or in the middle. Yes. Now the rest I would suggest you try and do by yourself, and look up the workbook, check up the exercises in the answer book, cross check, and I'm pretty sure you'll get the answers. Perfect. Thanks for joining in. See you in the next lesson.